Fresh potato slices travel through large water channels where advanced cleaning systems remove excess starch from the surface.
Kitchen. The washed potato slices enter powerful air drying systems where controlled airflow removes excess moisture right before.
Golden potato chips move onto large, rotating seasoning drums, where advanced machines evenly apply delicious flavor powders across every chip. The inspected potato chips enter a controlled cooling system, where filtered air gently reduces their temperature while preserving their crisp texture. Finished potato chip cartons enter a huge smart warehouse where autonomous robots transport pallets into organized storage areas. Towering shelves hold thousands of cartons,